Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cemu online. First, ensure you have Cemu installed and your chosen game configured. Playing Cemu online typically involves creating a virtual local area network, or LAN, which allows multiple Cemu instances to connect as if they were on the same physical network. This setup is essential for experiencing multiplayer games with friends over the internet, simulating a direct connection for seamless gameplay. To begin, select a virtual LAN software, such as Radman VPN or Hamachi. These programs create a secure, private network over the internet. Install your chosen software on every computer that will be joining the game. Once installed, one player should create a new network within the VPN application, then share the network name and password with the other players so they can join. Next, open Cemu and access its network settings. You will find an option to use network, which must be enabled. This tells Cemu to look for other players on your virtual LAN. It is crucial that all players are using the exact same version of Cemu, the same game files, and any identical downloadable content to prevent synchronization issues during gameplay. With Cemu configured and everyone connected to the virtual LAN, one player can now host the game. The other players will then join through Cemu's network feature, which will detect the host's game on the virtual network. Double-check that all participants are successfully connected to the virtual LAN before launching the game. Now, you are ready to enjoy playing your favorite Wii U titles with friends online.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.